Okay, so I'm going to have a diagonal line come down from this very back corner towards the front. Okay, you're just watching first. See that line? And the same diagonal line from the very front corner. Then in the front, I'm going to do this horizontal line that runs along right across the front. You guys see that? So I'm going to color that in nice and dark. That side piece is really small, it's hard to see. And then the front is also pretty small. Okay, that's my cast shadow for my rectangular prism. Now, the pyramid is pretty much the same idea. Each of my sides is going to be a different value. My light source is coming from the left now, though. You have to decide if it's really hitting the front of this or it's hitting the side of the pyramid. If you feel like it's hitting the side, then the front might be your medium and the side might be your darkest. If you feel like it's more hitting the front, then the front can be your lightest and the side can be a medium or a dark. It's up to you. But each side will be a different value, just like it was for our rectangular prism. So I'm going to let you guys do that one on your own and give it a try.
That was 20 seconds.
So the refocus, guys. The cone shape is kind of like combining your pyramid and your sphere. And I can tell that it's a cone and it's not flat because of this curved bottom here. Okay, notice your pyramid bottom is a straight line, so this meant that side was flat. This is curved, so this means that this whole thing is curved around like an ice cream cone. So we're going to take the same ideas that we have here with the sphere and gradually fade from dark to light, but the sides are going to remain straight, so I can use straight lines to shade it in. Does that make sense? So it's kind of combining the two. Now, our light source is on the opposite side this time. It's coming on the right side. So my left side is going to be my darkest area. So I'm going to go ahead and shade everything in with the lightest value that I can. And then I can go, like I said, straight up and down, but I can also do my curved around to help that sense of space feel like that it's curving around. Use your layering, try and get it nice and smooth. So where my darkest area is going to be is kind of almost going to be like an L shape down here in the bottom left corner. So down right here where my pencil is right now, this is my darkest area. Build that up the most, blend it out. And then my cast shadow for this one, you're just going to pause and look up for a second. Same idea as our pyramid, but we are on the opposite side. It's always opposite my light source. So I'm going to come from this corner and make my start of my triangle and this corner and bring it into that triangle shape. Okay, that's what the shadow outline would look like. Okay, and then again, it's darkest at the shape, and then it fades a little bit as it comes towards the tip here.